slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life of vivid sheen, my funded futures light the way.
Hey, everybody. Welcome. I'm Stephen Kalayjian. I am hosting tonight's My Funded Future Asia session. Just before we got on, gold just dropped about 12 off the highs. How are you, everybody? I'm Stephen Kalayjian. Anybody who's new, just so you understand, I have this August 1st, 44 years of trading experience. That's right, 44 years of trading experience. All right. Traded everything from nearly 2 billion shares of stock to, can't even tell you how many index futures, commodity futures, foreign exchange, options, you name it. I did it all. And now I'm here tonight to share with you the technical aspects of trading the index futures. Tonight, we cover index futures, NASDAQ, S&P, gold, oil, and silver. Okay? Hey, everybody. What's going on? Unbelievable. What a move. What a move. So let me show you a really great pattern that I want to show you in the gold. Okay, if I could just bring up the gold for 1 second here. Where's the gold? So if you look at gold, you can see from when we got that news around 4:30 this afternoon about a ceasefire agreement. But now my friends are telling me, and I just got this note here, and it says here that if I can read it correctly here, Iran refuses peace talks with Trump's backstabbing negotiators. That's what it says, not me. Okay, so anyway, with that being said, hello everybody. Anybody new here today? Anybody new? All right. So, oh my God. You long 2 gold from 2 days ago, Andrew? God bless you. Good for you. Index futures are like not even moving. How's that? All right. What else here? Okay. If you want to take a scalp short on the gold, 53 up to 63 or 54 to 64 range. All right. You're $41 above the 10 bar. But let me just show you this really great pattern here. When you have the ADX is rising here, okay? When you have the ADX is rising on the 15 and on the 30-minute time frame, right here, you can see the ADXs are rising right from the get-go. Look at this beautiful long pattern right into the 10 bar, 44.58. And look at this. Even here, it ran almost 30. Right there, and then it just continued to go up and away. All right. Anyway, when you have ADXs rising like that on the 15:30, now the 60 is starting to turn up. Guess what you do, right? Guess what you do? You look to buy them. All right. Also, if you look here on Bitcoin, okay, BTC USD. If you look at Bitcoin, if I could type, that would be great. If you sold gold at 53, I would lower your stops. Okay, I would lower your stops. BTC, USD. If you look at Bitcoin, you can see that Bitcoin's making new highs here. Okay, Bitcoin's making new highs here, but the MACDs cannot confirm the highs. So this Bitcoin just dropped about 300. Gold just dropped 8 just now. Okay. All right. Anybody new here tonight? Gervex, ciao. No negativity, Gervex. Mr. Rockster, what's going on? All right? Okay? Really great day here. Okay? We had a really great day. Jennifer, I'm proud of you, Jennifer. Really great day for Jennifer. All right? Prave Pundara, how are you? Kelly's, Nashby, Tamashi, Linda NQ. Hey, Linda NQ, congratulations on winning last night. Okay, or the night before. And we're off at Belmont. Okay. All right. So, where's this gold going? Buying gold now is foolish. I think you're right. Again, if you want to take a short on the S&Ps, you can go 56.5 up to 66.5. I would go wide. Where you go? Come. Where's Daddy? Where's your father? Come on. Where's your daddy? Hello, boo-boo. Hello. All right, gold just hit that 56.5 range. Again, just got here, everybody. Oh, gold just dropped 10. Andrew Knapp, get in there, Andrew. Oh, gold. That's right, baby. Silver. If this silver gets to the 73.10, oh my God, look at the gold. Look at that gold. Oh my God, $1.60. Look at that, 16 handles on the gold. Anybody get that gold there? That's what I'm talking about. You got to take advantage of these markets. Nobody from my stream got that? Oh, wow. Andrew, nobody? Come on, man. Let's go. All right. Well, that Iceman, you didn't get that short, Iceman? Let's do this. Iceman, it just dropped 15. Jennifer. Look, Jennifer's the only one pulling the trigger tonight. Okay? Woo! Oil. Hey, Marshall Eyes. Let me look at oil. Oh, God. This gold. Where's this gold? Oil, cabooshed. Gold cabooshed. Index futures doing absolutely buckus. So I'm going to show you this is a pencil pattern. I want to see if we can. Mr. Mike got to get in there. Good job, James Robertson. It's something. Jennifer got in there. That's right. Bark, your strat is making me so much money. Thanks. I love bar candles. Okay, I would short this oil here in this bar, 88, 55, 60, up to 89. Here we go, 89, 88, 60 to 89, 50. Mosh NYC, your strat, I love bar candles. Now what is a candlestick? Oh my God. What's a bar candle? I never heard that one before. I say get out of the bar. Yeah, but yes, take note, T Marvel. Hey, look at this oil drop. 30 cents. That's a strategy. You're short within the bar. Again, I'd short this oil 65 up to 89, 30, 40 range. You got to be fast, guys. Let's go. Candles for birthday cakes. Exactly. Oil, cabooshed. Let's go, Mush. NYC, look at the oil. See now the oil pushed down here? The MACDs didn't confirm the low here, right? Okay, that was a very quick scalp long there. If this oil, let's see if this oil can drop anywhere between the 35 and 65 range. Whew. Iceman, if there's one thing I want to tell you, Iceman, are you ready, Iceman? The game is rigged. What happened? The game is rigged, Iceman. Right, Iceman? Guys not to be fast. All right. Well, S&P's dropping here. All right. You guys got to be fast. No way the game is rigged? I know you're joking. Use line chart? Oh, my God. Trading scammer. All right, gold pushing up here again to new highs. If this gets up to the 58 level to 68, yeah, we could scale in every 2.5. 21 years, I'm double that. 44 come August. You could go 57 to 67 on the oil, on the gold, if it gets up there, or 58 to 68. Silver, 73.25 to 74. All right. Let's see if you sold 57s on the gold. See, the way I would trade gold is I go up every $2.50, $3 when I'm trading the gold. There it is. 57's the high. Boom. There you go. Bye-bye, gold. There goes gold. Hey, Zill, what's going on? I would lower your stops on gold, silver. I would lower your stops, Jennifer. James Robertson, get in there. Oh, my God. This gold's moving 10 a clip. Iceman, you get that short in gold? Iceman, let's go, Iceman. What do you mean it hit your number? You were offering? Oh, my God. Gold just dropped 10. That's 3 drops on gold since we got here. 3. Right? All right. We should have 5,000 people here tonight. Oscar. DL, do you get that short, DL? Take note. Oh, no. Are you serious? That's why I dropped it to 57. This is wild. Yes, sir. All right. Let's see what the S&Ps got down to here. If these S&Ps get down to the 38.5, 46.5 range, I'd be a buyer here. NASDAQ, where's the NASDAQ here? NQ, right here, NASDAQ. NASDAQ anywhere from the, I would go 52 to 92. Wow. Look at this gold drop. Jeffrey, you didn't get that short, Jeffrey? The algorithm is already above the 10-bar weighted moving average. How wide is NASDAQ? Well, if I do a 30-handle range, okay, I mean a 30-point range, you got to go every 10. Whew. 46.30 on gold. Good job, Jeffrey. Go on, take the money and run. Woo, woo, woo. Look at this gold. Wow. Oh, where's this oil? What a day. I had some day. Look at this oil if you're short. I said look to cover between the 35 and 65 on the oil. Right, James Robertson? Get in there, good buddy. Get in there. Jennifer, get in there. Wow, look at that crude. What a short on crude. Schultze from down under. Let's go, Schultze. Iceman, did you get that short, Iceman? Iceman, you got buy divergences here, Iceman, but you do have a rising ADX here. Good job, Schultze. Good job, my brother. Schultze, did I ever tell you when I took my son to the first movie? My first movie I ever took my son was to Kangaroo Jack. I had to take him twice. He wants his daddy, I want to go to Australia one day. So now I have to tell him, Uncle Schultze, we may have to go visit Uncle Schultze in Australia. Exactly. Oil, 30-cent drop. What are you talking about? Oil, I set the short 88.65 to 88.65 to 89.35. Are you kidding me or what? New lows, oil. Kabooshed. Look at this. Oh, my God. How about the guy who, oh, there goes the S&Ps right back up. All right, S&Ps just ran 8. NASDAQ kaboomed from 82 all the way up to 22, so ran 40. All right, I would cancel those bids. Oil, new lows here, Iceman. Iceman, there you go. I said you got a short in the... Oh, Iceman! Get in there, Master Freeze. Mr. Freeze. So Leonard Skinner had a song, Call Me the Breeze, by, what was it, C.J. McCall or something like that. Now I'm going to say, Call Me the Freeze. I keep blowing down the road. I'm long on oil. Gervex? Well, I don't know why. All right, S&Ps got oversold, got down to 46.5, just ran, I would say about 11. NASDAQ just ran, NASDAQ close to 50. All right. There you go. We all nailed the oil short. Oil dropped $1 in about 7 minutes. Jeff, you see that? Jennifer, James Robertson, Gervex, how could you be long oil with an ADX rising like that? Negative MACDs. Overbought into the negative MACDs. Gervex, come in Manila. Whoa! How long is the stream? Till 10 o'clock. Till 10. What a short in oil. I know, NASDAQ kaboomed. Gold, oil down, S&Ps and NASDAQ up, right? What a short. NVIDIA's flying. I hate that stock. Mario, what's going on, Mario? Come in Manila. All right, let's see. 50. Very dangerous. Hey, Ive, sir. I mean, why? Why are you long oil? Why? Now, maybe when it got oversold, then it just ran 30 cents here. But I'm calling shorts, and I don't know. All right. To each his own. I would look to short gold again, only if it gets above 59. 59, I would short the oil, gold. Let's go. Hey, Rab boys. Hey, a lot of new people here tonight. Buckle up. Whoa, there goes the S&Ps and NASDAQ. What idiot sold NASDAQ at 82. 52, it's up 70. Dang. Where's Ian? Ian. Where are you, Ian? Uncle Steve wants, where's Ian? You closed my profit. How could you be long? Okay, well, maybe he bought it down here. Good luck. Good job. Okay. All right, gold just got kabooshed again. Where's the gold? Let's see what the gold high is here. Well, I changed to the Bitcoin. I got to change the symbol back here. Oh, let's see. The gold, 57.5. Missed it by a half. Bang and a half. All right. And I might go out to California. EMM, what's going on? Danny Dan, what's going on? Chizards, get in there, Ian. Where's Ian? Get in there, Ian. Let's go, Ian. Never made it to 59. I know. Oh, just dropped. Oh my God, I can't look at this. It's gonna get killed. Well, now they call me the breeze. I keep blowing down the road. What month? Front month. Isn't it April, May? April oil, right? That was a nice buy on the Bitcoin, Jeff. Nice bull flag on the 5 after the 30 reverse to buy. Oh my God, look at this oil. Oh, I mean this God almighty. This look at this gold. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, Mario 14, Mario. Mario. Skinner's in the house, baby, July 17th. I'm sitting second row from the stage right in front of Johnny. That's right, baby. You want to talk about an oh my God, this gold. Oh, Jesus. Oil new lows. Gold just got cabooshed. 15, missed it. I can't believe it. And I said the algo is higher than the moving average. If you want to take a scalp short only, NASDAQ 50 up to 85. S&P's 58.5 up to 65.5. What'd you do? Bought 5-minute now reversed. Oh my God, I can't. $17 on the gold. Are we shorting gold tonight? I was betting on QQQ calls. Well, you should be happy. Caleb, you should be happy. What are you talking about? I wouldn't short oil at 65. No way. No way. I would wait for it to go higher. If you bought May, are we in May? I think, or May and April. I think we're in April. We long, short. What? You got to take note. Z Marvel. You got to stay in. You got to stay in the. You got to get ready here. May. Should I short gold? I wouldn't short gold here. I said above 58, 59. Never got 59. I never got there. Come on, take note. Let's go. Buckle up. Hey, Bob Barker, what's going on? If you were betting on calls before the close, I got smushed. No, how could you get smushed? Hey, Nora. I'm dying to go long crude. You're right. How's that? Right here. Because of the buy divergence right here. Silver's very strong. Well, now they call me the breeze. Mr. Freeze. All right. S&Ps, if you're short, lower your stops. NASDAQ, if it got up there, I don't know if it did or not, I would lower your stop. If not, I would cancel. You see the push up into the negative MACDs? That was a short. Silver's not confirming? Why? Silver's you mean on the 5-minute? Let me see. Silver's confirming. MACDs are going up with it. No. I said no, I don't. Why don't I use red bars for bearish? Grovex, that's enough out of you tonight. Okay? I'm not doing it. I have what I have. I'm used to it. My eyes are used to it. If you think I'm using different colors, you're crazy. I'll be in Bellevue. Okay? I'll be in Bellevue. You know what Bellevue is? A psychiatric hospital. I ain't doing it. S&P's just dropped 5. Nasdaq just dropped 4. Almost 35. Anybody get the short on the S&Ps or Nasdaq? Mario, help me out here, Mario. We're the same age, Mario. Come on. S&P's down 6, 7. Nasdaq, you see the negative? That's a bear flag. Beautiful bear flag. What a bear flag. Boom. Look at that. 60 on the S&Ps, down 9. Get in there, Mario. They don't know what Bellevue is? Put me in a straitjacket. All right. Wow, 9 handles on the S&P. All right. Missed this long. 46 to 60. I hope you guys got this short right here. Right here. What a cabooshin. Good job, Nerve. YOLO though. Mario's going to be in the great state of Florida, Siesta Keys on the west coast of Florida. You know, Siesta Keys here has, they say, one of the top five beaches. That's what they say, right? Top 5 beaches in the United States. I go there. I'm telling you, I never want to leave, but it's just too crowded for me. You know, Mario, if you ever come to the East Coast, I'm going to take you and your wife to Deerfield Beach, right? Okay. What's a reversal trader? I don't even know what that. Please, Gervex, you only have about 30 words tonight. Please. What's a reverse trader? I was at New Lowe's Oil. I was at Deerfield Beach over the weekend. Holy mackerel. That place is beautiful. I go with the trend. What are you talking about? I said, no, 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 no. All right. Now, maybe you could take a scalp long on oil here. 86.40 to 87.20 on oil. Really, Tina? Ocean City is like that? Get in there, Raphael. Let's go. Oh, man. Be nice, M. Come on. Grovex, he's a good man. All right? He's just a little, I don't understand. I don't even know what a reversal trader is, to be honest with you. Okay, this silver is very, very strong. Mm-hmm. Oh, good job on that move up on gold. So this is called a pencil pattern right here. You see this? A pencil right here. Boom. Look at that, 43 points up, and then it drops what, 16? And then it rallies right back up to new highs. So you could take the short, drops, you cover, reverse to go long, and then boom, rally 20 or 18 off that. Okay? Iceman, good job, Iceman. I think this was before me, but I'll still leave it there. Oh, boy, oh, boy. Ryan, how are you down 1,100, Ryan? What the hell are you talking about? I know what he's saying, but that's you can be a counter trend trader, but you have to be very professional in how you scalp, right? Ugh. Right? This gold is going to get another push up here. ADXs are rising on the 5, 15, 30. I'm sorry, the 15. I'm sorry, gold. Gold's going to get another push up. Here we go. 40. There you go. You can see the gold futures right here. 43 just ran 10 in a blink. When these ADXs are rising like this on all 3 time frames, you got to look to buy the pullbacks, right? Boom. Look at this. I would not short this gold until these 5s get overbought. Gold, just look at it. I said, the minute I say gold's got another push up, Mario, you see that? Mario, look at this. New highs in gold. You see that? Ryan, if you want to use the 5-day free trial, do it Monday, okay? I'll let you have it till on Monday, okay? Ryan? I need more screens. I need more screens. Wow, look at this silver. All right, this silver, let's see what this gold. Oh my God, this was a beautiful bull flag here. Break it down to 41. What the hell was I looking at? Oh, wow. Silver's up. Jesus. How's copper? Let's see what copper's doing. Oh, what a bull flag in copper. Let's see what platinum's doing. I'm sick. Oh my God, platinum. Come on. Look at this platinum. Look at these ADXs rising. Oh my God, platinum. New highs in gold. I would not short gold until the 5s. So if gold gets up to 63 to 73, I'd look to short it. Scaling if it gets up there. Look at this platinum. Oh my God, what's the low here? 17. Oh my God, I went to the PPLT. Hey, Pedro. M. Dot. We can't do that, M. Dot. Come on, Baba. Gervex, come back. Okay? We'll give you another chance. Don't worry. Come on. You're not offended. Gotta have thick skin. Come on. I don't know about Nasdaq going to the moon. I told you gold was going to. The minute I said gold was going to get another push up, I mean this gold just ricocheted. That's oil. Oil I would cancel the buy, but look at this. Look at this gold here. Oh my God. Unbelievable. On the gold. The minute I said it. Right here. I said, oh, I saw this bar. Oh, gold's going to get another push up. Oh, something just came out. Kaboosh, something came out. Gold. Gold just dropped 10. Oh my God. Is S&P a buy? No, no, no. I would not buy S&Ps there. No. If this gold gets back up to 59, let's see if this goes back up to 59. 59 to maybe 66. Dwight, NASDAQ candle just now. What the hell was that on the S&P? Oh my God. 40, come on. This is a casino. It's Christmas in March. I know, it's manipulation. How they rally? They drop 10, they rally 12. Was there news? Johnny M, kabooshed, please. Please, kabooshed. It's Kabooshed. I don't like this, though, really. I mean, this game is all about... I know. I agree with you, Johnny Fonts. Oh, my God almighty. It's so wrong. If you shorted the gold at 59, I would lower your stops. Oh, my God. Come on. How is that possible? 45 to 58. I would take a scalp short here. 60.5, 61 to 68.5. NASDAQ, I go 55 up to 95. You got to go wide every 10. Or on the S&Ps every 2, every 2.5. Ian, can you call Papa Trump and tell him enough with the tweets? Okay, please, Ian. And that you want to work in his cabinet. Okay? Get in there, Ian. I got to get Ian a caboose t-shirt. Oh, my. Yes, sir. I said gold 59 to 67, 68. And S&Ps, because you're in a positive trend, you got to scalp it if you want to scalp it. How come on? 45, 16 handles like that? Really? Is that why they rally? SpaceX's IPO? Wow, lone wolf trades. Go get them. Do you know what it's going to be priced at? $75 billion? Oil's back down? Because it's bear flags. Unbelievable. So gold on that 5-minute bull flag rallied, I would say about 20. Not bad. Can anybody get that, or again, if you want to short the NASDAQ and S&P, these are scalp shorts. Same thing with gold, scalp shorts. If you want to do it. Oil, oh my God, oil is finished. Massive drawdowns, what does that mean? Of oil? Wait, Andrew, before you go, what do you mean massive drawdowns? Gold's not confirming the highs. You guys, if you want to sign up for the raffle, you have 25 minutes for the raffle. Hey, Frank Mangione. What's up, brother? God bless you, Frank. Oh my God, Gervex. We let you back in. Just when we thought we were out, you sucked us back in, Gervex. Right? Ay, ay, ay. All right. Let's see if this NASDAQ and S&Ps can get one more push down here. So you want to hear a great story today? Hey, Mr. Bobby Shmuda, how are you? So one of my big traders, okay, this morning was down about 15,000. And I came in early I was here since 6 o'clock in the morning, okay? And I helped him make back about 5, right? And then, so he was down 20. So he caught he did not realize on the short, right, that look at this NASDAQ, unbelievable. He did not realize that on the push up, when the 15s and the 30s were getting oversold, that he should have waited for more of the overbought condition on the 15 before he got short. So he was down $20,000, right? And real money, no joking. So I came in at 6 o'clock in the morning. I worked with him. He made back about 5, right? And then during the day, you know, it's against the law. I don't help anybody. I can't give recommendations or anything like that. But the patterns were so good, and he knows the patterns that he ended up making. Ready for this one? Down 20, up 30 on the day. Swear to God, true story. Okay, yes, sir. Nasdaq, yeah, I'm looking for pullbacks on that. This is just scalping shorts if you wanted. But, I mean, it's such a powerful trend here. Well, you could do that. S&P's just ran 26 like nothing. I would still stay short, looking for a drop between 61 and 65. NASDAQ, anywhere from the 50, what did I say, 50, 55 to 65 range. This gold should drop here too. Look at poor oil. What they did to poor oil. Yeah, I think you could scalp the short in gold. You're $31 from the 10 bar. What do you mean, going against my plan? Hey, Joseph Eves, how are you? Oil got absolutely cabooshed here. We just got to get this gold to drop. They're not overbought yet. Oh, gold, forget it. Oh yeah, gold, forget it. In the high 90s. Good luck. Oh, sorry, Raphael. Uh, that was some long. The minute I said oil setting up a bull flag, it goes from 43 to 68. I didn't have a chance here. All right, I knew these S&Ps would start dropping. Again, you could look to cover anywhere from 61 to 65. NASDAQ, anywhere. You can go NASDAQ 55 to 70 range if you're short. Okay. Oh, sorry. I think oil should get a bounce here now. I mean, can you imagine that the Treasury gets involved in shorting oil futures? I mean, if that ain't a rigged game, I don't know what is. Where's Ian? Right, Ian? Oh yeah, I heard about these two names. What's the symbol? CRCL. Oh yeah, wild moves. And then the other one was what? CRCD. I still would stay short this gold. I think it's going to drop. CRCD. What the hell is this thing? What the heck? The hell does this thing do? They killed the oil. They absolutely killed the oil. There goes Bitcoin. Bitcoin's about to reverse to buy. Jeffrey on the 60. Jeff, G60 is about to reverse here. MACD below. Then you want to buy the first pullback. Do you understand? They want oil at 82? Do you understand that the game is rigged? They'll do anything to make the market go higher. Anything. Anything. Now, first, if Bitcoin gets above the 71,000 to 71,500, I think that's a short first. I still think this gold's going to drop. Gold's $35 from the 10 bar. Yeah, I know. I need gold to drop 10 too. Didn't get stopped down on the NASDAQ though. NASDAQ's going to drop. I don't know about that. I think gold drops. I think gold pulls on the 15-minute time frame first. Okay, before. I agree, Jimmy. Rigged since 1913. Yes, sir. What happened, Bobo? Yep, quantitative easing, 100% right. Look at this silver. Parabolic. Everything's great. Everything's wonderful. Everything's wonderful. I never found my Pokemon. I think my son's got them somewhere. All right, here comes the you along the euro. Okay. Gotta get this Bitcoin to drop. How about yesterday the drop of about 90 on the Nasdaq and S&P? I wouldn't short Nasdaq at 80 now. No. You know, just a couple of nights ago, gold was trading 4,100. RTY? I don't know. I gotta look at RTY. Dollar about to make new lows. That's great. Well, 30-year, 10-year bond just rallied half a point, so that's going to be good. The 10-year was 440. Well, I would stay short. If you didn't get stopped out at 68, 68 and a half, I still think it's going to drop. And I'd say go wide. It's a scalp, so you have to go wide. So if you went 59, 62, 64, 65, I still think it's going to drop. So I would probably stay with it. The 15s, you have 97, you have 98, you have 100 overbought readings across the board here. So I think I would stay short. And I would go really wide, especially when you're fading a trend. Okay, NASDAQ S&Ps, here we go. 61.65 on the covering of the short on the S&Ps. NASDAQ 55 to 65. Now I just got to get this damn gold to drop. And I think it's going to be a matter of hopefully the next 5-10 minutes. Oh, the Russell. I got to look on the Russell. Just give me a second here. I got this Bitcoin up. Yeah, Microsoft. All right, here we go, Kelly. You could look to cover any shorts, 58 to 64 on the gold if it drops here. S&P's dropping, NASDAQ dropping. I think the NASDAQ can get down there. Sure, 400. Oh, yeah, why not? Okay, Kelly, here comes the gold dropping. S&P's dropping, NASDAQ dropping. There's no way I would be buying gold up there. That's why, even though you could have used a 68.5, 69 stop, I said I would stay with it, Kelly. Give me a second, nice man. I'm watching this gold. Unbelievable. When gold hit 43, I said, watch this gold go and it runs 30 or 28. I don't look at support. Bye-bye S&Ps. Bye-bye gold. Kelly, you get in there, Kelly. Andrew! God bless you, my brother. 21 big ones. Damn. All right, I would lower your stops, Kelly. I mean, I don't know where I would cover some at break even and lower your stops. Damn, Andrew. God bless you, my brother. S&P, NASDAQ, kabooshed. Oh, I'd like to see gold drop another 5 to 10. Andrew, I'm proud of you, brother. Andrew, God bless you, man. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny how many, 10 months ago, I started talking to people about trading gold and silver in the overnight. They're like, gold, silver, what are you, crazy? All right, golden. This is where we started showing the Nasdaq from 55 to 85, right? S&P 61 to 70, right? And here they go, and they're dropping. Well, I want to see this gold at least take the 61, though. I think 263 an ounce, 245 when I started in the industry. All right, S&P's has a little 3-minute bull flag here. If they get down to 61, let me just see here. All right, there goes the gold on the 3-minute, just rallied on the double blue. Gold just ran 4. I'm sorry, not gold. S&P's just ran 4 on the bull flag on the right there. Nasdaq just ran 10, same pattern. I would cancel the buy range. It happened a little bit too fast. It's freaking gold right back up. Kelly, did you cover some down there at 63, 62 and a half? And you have 90, you have 100 overbought reading here. I still think it's going to drop. All right. Again, on the short on the Nasdaq, okay, I still think it's going to drop though. What's going to happen here? This silver's parabolic. Let's see if this gold. Come on, gold. Jesus. All right, let's just see if we get this pushed down. Very quiet. Look at this silver parabolic. All right, here we go. Come on, gold. Drop, die. Drop 10. Up or down on NASDAQ? I think down and then setting up longs on the 15. So the 30 reversed to buy. So I'm looking for pullbacks. Where's the ICT man? I have no idea. Singles and doubles. Here we go, Kelly. Let's get our chance here. Let's get our chance on the gold. Here we go, Kelly. Come on. 10 bar moving average comes in at 47. Ooh, that'd be a gift. Iceman. Let's go, Iceman. We got to get these 15s and 30s to start rolling over, Iceman. Iceman, Pac-Man, Hitman. I got all the guys in the group. So just to let you know, everybody, I stream every day from 8:30 to 4 at skatrading.live. If anybody would like a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email. My number is 914-500-7484. Romans SN5B. How are you? Okay. I diced bananas. Congratulations. You won last night. See? I remember. All right. Okay. And again, for those of you who are new and never recognized me before, my name is Stephen Kalayjian. This August 1st will be 44 years in the game. I've traded and worked with some of the biggest traders in the world. Traded nearly 2 billion shares in my life, and my specialty is scalping and day trading. Okay? I do work with some very big firms around the world. Oh my God, look at the S&Ps. Die, gold. Kelly, let's go, Kelly. Get in there, Kelly. I'd start covering here. Oh my God, yes. There you go, Iceman. Merry Christmas. 59 on the gold. Thank God. I knew it would stay down there. That happened to be fast. Iceman, you got to be quick, Iceman. New day, new start. Not Jennifer, Iceman and Kelly. Get in there. I still think it's going to drop. I still think this gold's going to drop. This thing is going to drop. I would not want to be long up here. I don't care. You wait for the 15s to get deeply oversold. Planet Base Runners. Oh, Base Runner. Sorry. If you're new, you want to text me 914-500-7484 for a 5-day free trial. Here we go, Kelly. Kelly just got down to 61 again, Kelly. Who's Iceman? He's in my group over here at SK Trading. Whoa, there you go, Kelly. Get in there, Kelly. Tina, get in there. Oh, yeah, baby. Get in there, Iceman. On the go. 55, Iceman. Iceman, you had to have your bids in there. Let's go. Whoa, Nelly. Where's Kelly? Did she disappear? Iceman. There you go. $15,000 profit. There you go. That's why I said stay with it. I said stay with it on the gold. Baby, go get it. Oh, yeah, baby. 18 or 17 off the highs. Kelly. See, Kelly? I'm loyal. I stay right with you, Kelly, right? Kelly, right? I'm right there. Now, listen, every Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30, okay, I spend 1 hour with my funded futures, okay? I remember when I started this 10 months ago with Denny, I said we're going to trade, gold and silver. People are like, what are you, crazy? What are you, nuts? What are you, bananas? I'm like, okay, we're going to trade water. How's that? Is that going to help you? I've been here since 6 o'clock in the morning. Can you believe it? I was on the phone with Singapore. Okay? True. And coming into the day when he started with me at 6 o'clock in the morning, he was down $20,000 on a NASDAQ short that he got stopped out on. Trade's very big. Okay? I helped him make back about 5. And then during the day, he took some really unbelievable patterns. Okay? And he made 30 at the end of the day. Okay? All right. That is an amazing, 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 amazing short. All right, now you could probably short this gold here again, 74 up to like probably I would say like 84, 83, 84. There you go. There goes the gold. 55. This gold's going over 4,600, but No. No. Oh my God. You know my arm was. I would lower this. I would lower it. The gold hit 74. If not, go to 73. Oh man, you have no idea what happened to me, everybody, today. Forget it. So I had perfect shorts in the market lined up. And somebody made like a reference that there was a bullish news piece. So I kind of canceled certain things. And how could you cut your loss to 52 on gold? What are you talking about? I don't know what you're talking about, B. Capson. Exactly, Sandy. Water futures. B. Capson, I don't know what you're doing. Look at the S&P's drop. Nasdaq's dropping. So you're going to get your 24,400. I'm nothing right now. I'm looking at short gold. S&P's and Nasdaq, I called the short. I said I'd be flat. I don't know about that, Jimmy Dean. I don't know about that. I don't know about that. Why? Because you have a positive trend. I mean, well, you have a buy dis. Well, you have a buy disconnect. That's why you have a buy. Gold is dangerous. Anything's dangerous. You can walk out of your go walk to my car. It's dangerous, right? All right, Jeff. This Bitcoin, the 60 just reversed to buy. I would look to buy this Bitcoin, 70,000, probably like I don't know, 400 to 70,700. Gold is life is dangerous. Tell him, Oscar. Okay, you're long. Okay, good. That was a good drop to 55. Again, you're scalping shorts here. You got the MACD's negative on the 5. You got the MACD's negative on the 5 on the gold, making new highs. Let's see if it can drop. Now, gold just rallied from that 43 bull flag. Okay, that happened around about 8:20, right? And it ran up to now up 30, but it did trade up. Gold range, I said 73.5 up to 83.5 range. Right? You got to go wide every 2.5, 3 points. All right. Nasdaq S&Ps. Again, you can scalp it if you want to. If not, you wait for pullbacks on the 15. Iceman, are you flat? Exactly. My Hendrix. You should see Hendrix today going after the guy with the leaf blower. He wanted to kill. He wanted to eat him. Ugh. I'd look to cover any shorts in gold 67.5 to 74.5 range. Let's see if this will get a drop. Hey, Kirsch Cleveland. Everybody welcome Keish Cleveland. All right. My risk management? Oh, not me. I've been around a long time. Jeff, look at that long in Bitcoin, Jeff. First pullback. There's 300 right there, Jeffrey. First pullback on the 5 after the 30 reverse, 60 reverse, Jeff. Yeah, the leaf blower. Hendricks went crazy. Jeff, this is a Picasso, Jeff. Come on. Right? Great job, Jimmy Dean. You want to hear Hendricks in the morning with the leaf blower? He's he sits here and he waits for the guy. Gold's dropping. Gold's dropping here. Iceman, the MACDs didn't confirm the high. Iceman, come in. Oh my God, gold just dropped 7. What a short. Oh. All right. Good job, Simo Show. Thank you, Kelly. Good job. Get in there, Kelly. Come on, Iceman. That wasn't too long. Come on. Que pasa with oil? Amigo. Pedro. Look at this gold drop. Look at these S&Ps drop 13 off the high. NASDAQ was trading 85. Gold just dropped 9. There's a Pedro Perco in my group here. All right. Obviously, 9 o'clock, the raffle's over, right? You need 24,372 on NASDAQ to pass. That's 60 handles. Are you crazy? Are you nuts? Yes, sir. Good night, Ian. All right, get in there, Iceman. All right, this oil silver just dropped. The estimated profit, you're welcome. And that's important, though, man. Exactly. My whole life, I went for singles and doubles. Exactly. I mean, perfect. Oh, all right. Thing is, all right. If this S&Ps get down to the 50 and a half, 57 and a half, you could take a long here. NASDAQ anywhere from the 0333 range. You need 5 more points on gold. Bear flag on oil. Let me see. Oh, I typed the wrong one here. Let's see here. Fun night tonight, though. Oh, that was a bear flag right here. What a bear flag. Oh, my God. 86.9. Oh, my God. 90. $1.10. There goes the S&Ps. Right back up 3. There goes NASDAQ. Yes, sir. I don't know, Iceman. I wouldn't do that. I would probably look to short more. Hmm. If this gold gets to 82 to 92, I'd look to short it. Yes, I called for a long. It just ran. Right here. I was 57 and a half. It just ran 4. I don't know, Iceman. You're short at 75. I would add more up there. For oil. Can you imagine? I sold oil. Here it comes. See what I'm saying, Iceman? Give it a chance, Baba. Oh my God, silver short. Jennifer, get in there. I took my eye off the silver here, really. Oh my God almighty. 80 was the high, I think. Yep. Kabooshed. 78 cents. See, Jennifer, making new highs, non-confirmation here. The same thing. Oh my God, S&Ps. Jesus, Lord God. NASDAQ. The minute I say it, it rallies. Look at that. The minute I say it. When you say short gold in the double blue, are we going long until we go? If I say short, how could we be going long? Where's the Johnny Walker? I don't get it. 71 Telecaster. When you say short gold in this double blue, are we going long until we reach the short target range? No, if I call a short, it's a short. A scalp short. Look at this. Oh my God, 30 points on the NASDAQ. Come on, Kobop. Come on, Kobop. What's up, Zill? So NASDAQ, yes, correct. That is the first pullback. Kelly, great job. Yes, Kelly. So the 30-minute reverse to buy, and you buy the first pullback on the 5-minute. Good job, Kelly. Good job, Kelly. I'm very impressed. So NASDAQ reverses to buy on the 30-minute time frame. It correlates with the 15, and the strategy is you buy the first oversold condition on the 5. Great job, Kelly. Jeff, do you see that? I forgot to mention that the 30 reversed to buy. You could, you got to learn to. Well, you could do what you want, whatever makes you happy. Oh, I'm so sick. Oh, oh. All right. Oh, I don't know about that, Raphael. All right. Oh, come on. All right. I canceled my gold short at 82. Let's see. Slowing down. Yep. What's up, Just Bob? We gotta get this gold to drop. Come on, gold, just drop 10. RKY? Why do you say that? Oh, RKY or RTY? Same pattern here. Identical same pattern is gold. I mean, S&Ps. Come on, Hitman. Let's do it, Hitman. S&Ps just got kabooshed. NASDAQ just dropped. Okay. Nice move, though. 56. This just ran 9. Actually, 8. Sorry. Hey, what's up from Germany? Sas Chaparara. You're short? Good job, James Dean. Nice little short there. Just dropped 6 on the S&P. We got to get this gold to drop at least to 68, 65 for Hitman. $2:30 in the morning. What the hell are you doing? I know. I think it's a short up here, but I'm waiting for like maybe 80, 81. What's up, Gabio Trades? Oh, got it. RKY, got it. $80 on the gold. Here we go. All right, now I will look to shorter here. 82 to 92. Here we go. Hitman, maybe you offer some more at 85 and then see if it breaks 80 and starts scaling down below that. Okay. NASDAQ just dropped 30. What's your average? Like 77.40? Papa Delt, what's going on? All right, if you're short the gold, look to cover anywhere between the 76.5 and the 80.5 range. It just dropped. This is ridiculous. All right, everybody sign up for the raffle, right? We're gonna do 500. We do the raffle. You know, gold dropped like $75, $80 today because Turkey's selling 135. Is $1 billion worth of their gold, and a lot of these other countries have to do the same. So this is not going to bode well here. You're going to get a gigantic gap in the morning here. These GODs are going to gap up. Look at this. This this traded 380 in the pre-market. So now this thing's going to gap up to here. Boom. Going to get a gigantic gap. But you got all this overhead resistance. I can't see that. So 17 points. Actually, 100. It's going to be 18 points. So this is up 13. Add another 5. So 422. Oh my God. Look at this. 100 overbought reading on the 30 and 60s. If you sold more up there at 85, I'd look to cover between the 75 and 85 range. Let's see if we get that. 75 and 80 range. All right. We got the raffle in 14 minutes. We got to get 500 or no raffle. Here's the other thing on the gold. Here's the other thing on the gold right here. The ADX is a 40 here. That's significantly high. If you look at the 30-minute, 27, that's high. Geez, what a cover at 55. Come on, we got to get this thing below 80. Let's go, gold. Drop. Drop to 75. All right. If the S&Ps get down to the 48.5, 56.5 range, I look to buy them. NASDAQ anywhere from the 95 to 25 range. What happened, boo-boo? Let's put this Bitcoin up here for a second. What am I looking at? The net distance from the 10-bar moving average. $1.5 trillion. What is this? And corporate loans need to be rolling to higher rates. The world is great. It's funny because my friend told me he was on the phone with a guy and he said it's business as usual in the corporate debt market, corporate credit market, private credit. Oh, come on, gold. Just drop 15. Come on. It's got once if it takes out 80.5, 81.5, it should get right to 74.5. Okay? Come on, nice man. Let's go. I'll be looking to cover a 75 to 80 Iceman if it drops. We should get a cabooshin. Iceman. Here we go. Hey, Vladimir, how are you? Come on, drop. That's what I say, Jennifer. Just die. All right, 500, we're going to do the raffle. Oh, if you long the S&Ps here, NASDAQ. Oh, there's a caboose in here. S&Ps, I scale out any longs above 56. I need that to happen to gold. NASDAQ, look to scale out between 20 and 25. Wow. I need gold. I need a pencil down in gold like this morning. Kaboom. What happened? Look at the S&Ps and NASDAQ right back up. Boom. You got the gold long, Josh? Could you get in there? Come on, gold. That's exactly what I said, 4,100. Right, Johnny? This gold does not. Look at the S&Ps go. There goes Jeff, this Bitcoin again, Jeffrey. Anybody get that long on the NASDAQ or S&P? How did the gold kill you? Wow. Matty D. Oh my God, look at the NASDAQ 30 up. Johnny, remember that? I said 4,100 on the gold. It's exactly what hit 4,100. Unbelievable. Why is NASDAQ going to drop? I just called along. I'm hoping gold drops. I need gold to drop 15. And when it happens, it's going to be like that. Here we go, Johnny. Iceman, get in there. Iceman. If you're short the gold, I'd cover between 78 and 84. But Iceman at 72 to 80, Iceman. I would look to cover. Whew. Kaboosh on the NASDAQ. What happened? Up, down, down, up, down. I need gold to drop like 20, like nothing. Right? Good job, DL. I don't know about that. I think if it takes out 81, it's just going to get kabooshed. That's my line, Andrew. NASDAQ's a scam. Come on. Come on. Freaking thing. This gold's going to drop right when we at 10 o'clock. You ever see a more fugazi market than NASDAQ in your life? What happened, Johnny? The delay, what? This is why I just keep covering on every small drop. Did anybody jump tonight? No. Think things were good. YouTube internet is what? Iceman, you adding up here? Like, this thing's got to drop. How did gold stop you out? You can't do single lot entries when you're trading. I hope you know that, right? Jesus? I would take a scalp short here. 93 and a half up to like 94 up to 02. Hey, Raj, if you're interested, Raj, text me 914-500-7484. Iceman, you short more up here? I think it's a short. 94, back up to 94 to 02. Silver can't make new highs here. Iceman, you want to text me your average? I'll watch it. Then you can't trade gold, if that's the case. You can't trade a volatile commodity like gold and with two contracts. You can't do it. If you do, you got to go wide like every $5. All right. We got over 500. All right. Where's Jennifer? Hold on. This gold's going to... Let's... Jennifer, you ready? All right. Good luck, everybody. This gold's going to drop 25. You watch. What? Safif 131. Safif 131. Safif 131. Safif. No, I don't think so. Is he here? Congratulations. Alley Cat 536. Alley Cat. Yes, DL. Alley Cat 536. I'm gonna stay here. I want to watch this gold all night. That's 2. Ari, Arizona, 678. I know, that's what I say. Die gold. Ari, Arizona. Ari, Arizona, are you here? I don't know, Danny. If you're if you're doing a single lot entry, I don't know what you're doing. You got 13. You can't let... Next! You can't let something like that. How are you short 85 and a half? It dropped down to 81. We went over this 950,000 times. Marcial Lovaris. Marcial Lovaris. Are you still doing single lot entries, Dan? You can't do single lot entries in gold. That's 3. Serial trader. Serial trader. Serial trader. Come on, drop 25 gold. It's non-confirmation. Next. Here we go, Hitman. Zeus 1126 SM gold. I would cover gold below 94 if you're short in our range. Zeus. Is he here, Jennifer? Is Zeus here? Davy D. Teach. That's 4. Davy D. Teach.
Zeus is here, Steven.
Thank you, Denny. Davy, that's
Davy's
4.
also here.
Davy T. Okay, that's 5. Congratulations. Marley's dad, 27. Marley's dad, 27. DL, you cover some shorts below 94? Marley's dad, 27. Congratulations, that's 6. And again, if anybody wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream to start every Monday, you can text me 914-500-7484. Kelsick the trader. Kelsick the trader. Who the hell's buying this shit up here? Look at this crap up here, sorry. Who's buying this gold up here? I mean, give me a break. Kelsick the trader. But Dan, what are you doing? One lot? Next! That's 6. I'm not leaving until this gold breaks 90. What the hell is this? Vitali 1017.
No, Steven, no. That guy's removed.
Uh-oh. Okay.
He does not get a chance. He doesn't get a chance.
Uh-oh. I hear the mascot in the background. Uh-oh. Joshua 9776. Joshua 9776. See, here's the thing. Silver is not making a new high. This gold's got to drop. Joshua 9776. Here? Congratulations. Iceman, you still short? Iceman? JK Futures. JK Futures. JK Futures, that's 7, Jennifer. Watch this gold do a pencil down. Watch. JK, congratulations. That's 8. Iceman, are you still short? Milton Real, 999. Milton Real, 999. Milton Real, 999. Oh my God, look at the S&Ps and the NASDAQ. This is going to bring gold down. Here, that's 9. No, Iceman. Did you re-short it? Oh my God. Printing House Club. Paran Haas Club. I can't even speak anymore. My jaw hurts. Paran, this gold's going to get killed. This gold could drop 20 like nothing. Watch. Look at this. Yep. Bye-bye, gold. I told you I'm not leaving until gold hits 90. Look at this. I lower your stops. Iceman, what happened? Oh, my God. That's 10. Oh, my God. DL, I would lower your stop. DL. 80. I knew that the non-comp. Look at the silver. The silver told the story. The silver told the story. You're making new highs on gold, and silver got cabooshed. Oh my God, S&Ps. Look at this gold, Iceman. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at this gold. What a short, Malik. All right. With that being said, oh, I don't want to make the guy feel bad. Oh, my God. Why am I reversed? Oh, no, I'll do this. All right. With that being said, I want to thank everybody for joining tonight. Thank you, Denny. Thank you to all of you. Thank you, Aaron. And thank you to the one and only Jennifer. Okay? All right. I want to say I'll see you guys tomorrow night. Again, if you guys want a 5-day free trial, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone, 914-500-7484. Also, please go to my podcast and subscribe. Watch my Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly on my SK Trading YouTube. With that being said, have a great night. God bless you. God bless our troops. And God bless the United States of America. Good night, Denny. Good night, everybody.